Hello everybody, welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Contenders box break number 15.
Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton.
Showing the box is any 206-425-016. That's any 206-425-016. There you go. Good luck, everybody. All base pack to start out. We got a rookie for the Canucks of Darren Archibald. It is number 307 out of 600. A rookie ticket auto for the Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. And Contenders Legacies of Bobby Clark, 226 out of 499 for the Flyers. A patch in this one. Nice hits. Hard Contenders of Phil Kessel for the Leafs. It is 19 out of 25. Rookie ticket auto, Seth Jones for the Predators. Norris Contenders, Mark Stahl for the Rangers, 126 out of 499. A rookie 47/100 for the Oilers of Will Act. Got autograph of Jay Bowmeister, Brendan Morrow, Ryan Miller, Alex Petrangelo, Jaden Schwartz, and TJ Oshie. That card goes to the Blues. Nice hit for St. Louis. And the last time. At Heart Contenders, John Tavares for the Islanders, 214 out of 499. And there we go. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.